Hello and welcome to this comprehension task. Make a colored coat for a teddy or a doll. Let's read this together. So first of all, what will you need? So you need some equipment. You will need some paper, a stapler, scissors, plain material, different colors of scrap material, a pencil, and also a ruler as well. So point number one, lie your teddy or doll on some paper with legs straight. Point two, draw around the body and legs with a pencil to make a waistcoat shape. Do not include the arms. So this is the waistcoat shape here. Okay, so it's just the body of your particular teddy or your doll. Point number three, remove the toy and draw around your paper shape again, making it at least 2 centimeters bigger. So from the edges, draw around again and just make sure that it's 2 centimeters bigger than the original shape that you've actually already drawn on that piece of paper. Use the paper coat shape template to cut out 2 pieces of plain material, one for the front of the coat and one for the back. So now, with that particular shape that you got traced on your material, you're going to cut it out very slowly with some scissors. But you're going to make 2 copies, one from the front side of your teddy and doll and one from the back side of your teddy and doll. Point number 5, fasten the edges of the plain material together with either glue or a stapler. Remember to leave gaps for the arms and feet. So here on the edges now, the front and the back, so you're either going to glue them together or you will just staple them on. But at the same time, you're going to leave 2 gaps for the arms. Point number 6, cut the front of the coat from the top to bottom and turn it inside out. And point 7, cut strips of colored material about the same width as your ruler. And finally, point number 8, finally decorate the coat by gluing the colored strips onto the plain material coat. So this way, what you're doing is you're essentially making a waistcoat for your teddy bear or your doll. And this is how it's done. Okay, so some extra practice to answer the questions, and we will follow these up in our next class. Thank you.